Prime Minister Philippe J. Pierre, a vocal champion for regional unity and the Pan-Caribbean movement, delivered a powerful speech as the outgoing chairman of the OECS Authority at its 77th opening ceremony. Addressing his regional peers, Pierre highlighted the revised Treaty of Basse-Terre, which he noted articulates the region's conviction for establishing an economic union to foster growth and development among OECS member states.
The course that our states, by virtue of the revised Treaty of Basse-Terre, have charted towards economic union is testament to our determination to place our countries on the road to development, to deliver tangible benefits to all participating states, and ultimately to advance the circumstances of the people of the OECS. For St. Lucia, it is our considered view that this has to be the real litmus test of progress in the economic union and the OECS, the extent to which all the regional policies, laws, institutions, and actions enhance the lives and welfare of our people. This ultimately is the motivation, the justification for integration. A successful OECS integration, grounded in the enhanced welfare of our people, assumes added significance for us and is consonant with the motto of the government of St. Lucia, which is putting people first.
Stability and regional development form the backbone of Prime Minister Pierre's resolve as he called on leaders to address challenges head-on to ensure the region's forward trajectory.
The quest for an ever stronger OECS has been ongoing. If our countries and people are not only to survive but to prosper, and to do so in spite of the challenges we face today and those we inevitably confront in time, we must be realistic, innovative, nimble, perhaps even stoic, taking into account that the world does not cater to those who are insufficiently endowed to pay the piper.
Pierre is advocating for a sustained collective effort across the region to achieve a more unified framework for free movement and economic integration.
We must be brutal in our self-assessment, rigorous and prompt when adjustments are needed, and uncompromising in striving to attain the objectives of our treaty. The work on the free circulation of goods commenced several years ago. We knew then how critical it was for the OECS to move beyond the existing free movement of goods and people framework, to cement the single space by establishing a regime that would ensure goods would move without fetter once they satisfied formalities at the regional border. I will not dwell on the tardiness that has attended the introduction of this regime. Suffice it to say, the free circulation of goods is a natural corollary to the free movement of people and the establishment and operation of businesses in the single financial and economic states. We must get it done.
Prime Minister Pierre pointed to the introduction of tariffs within the regional space as compounding existing pressures and further underscoring the urgency of advancing regional unity. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.